Okay, Suzuki Swift installed for Convex 10.1-inch Android Master big screen player with front and rear camera and Android USB DVR. Okay, this is Convex 10.1-inch Android Master big screen player. Okay, no DVD. You got a 3 USB slot, so it's extension. Got a USB extension here. Okay, and one SD card slot. So SD card slot inside body is here. So you have to put in a SD card before your installation. So this will come with the OEM casing, big screen casing. Okay, styling control. Okay, for reverse. Okay, this got a auto front camera function, so when turned to N, D or P will auto switch to front camera. So the time you can set 1 second to 10 seconds for auto front cam. Okay, this got installed for Convex Android DVR special version for Android player, CT45 USB, CT45 USB. Okay, this is DVR, so got the apps for DVR. Okay, front camera function. Okay, easy connect for mirror link function. So got one AV input. So Play Store you can download apps. Steering wheel control. So file manage. So you got a GPS, that's been SD card slot. So got a USB slot. So if you put in 3 USB, that's got a USB 2, USB 3 and USB 4. Okay. And a setting. So you have to connect Wi-Fi. You share your phone hotspot to connect Wi-Fi for internet, and connect Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling or Bluetooth music. So you get a display adjust storage, so you can check your hard disk storage or USB storage, SD card storage. You can fix in external hard disk, but selected model hard disk, and you have to use 2 USB slots to support the power. Okay, about device. So Android version is 5.1.1 2017 December. Okay, this is Convex 10.1-inch Android Master OEM GPS player for Suzuki Swift by onebiz.com domain. Thank you.